Welcome to Nool and Numbers. In this video, let's practice 3-digit addition. Get your notebook ready. Can you add 643 and 113? Let's add these numbers, 262 and 703. What do you get? Find the sum of 557 and 340. Students are releasing butterflies for a science project. Greenwood Elementary releases 447 painted ladies, and City High School releases 321 monarchs. How many butterflies were released in all? Ant colony members have different roles. In one colony, there are 284 worker ants and 136 soldier ants. How many ants are there in all, including the queen? Pause the video, try all the questions, and check your answers at the end. This is Nool and Numbers. Happy learning.